Poor, rich, or wealthy? Who are you? Stay tuned. I'll explain what I mean when I say that. My name is Jay, and welcome to Ask a Debt Collector. Now, I've been in the debt collection industry for over 15 years. I've done it all, from skip tracing to collecting to management, and I've owned 2 debt collection agencies. For the past 8 years, I've been the go-to guy for friends and family for questions regarding debt and credit, and now I want to be that person for you. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. I promise I'll answer those questions. Let's go. Okay, so my question to you is, who are you? Poor, rich, or wealthy? Typically, every single, human being in this world falls under these 3 categories. Here in America, where it's a capitalist society, the cool thing is you can choose what category you fall in: poor, rich, or wealthy. Look at your life right now and see what category you fall in. And if you're on the poor side, guess what? The cool thing about America is you can change that and become rich or wealthy. So no matter where you're at right now, understand that you can get to the rich and wealthy side. This video won't be too long with regards to it, because I have a concept and I have something I want you to think about within the confinements of poor, rich, and wealthy. I don't know if it was on a podcast. I'm always listening to podcasts. I'm reading books and so forth. I have to get a little better at my references with regards to that, so that way I can give the credit to where I got the knowledge from. Because I know a lot of you guys who watch these YouTube videos may want to check out the video, or may want to check out that book or that podcast, or whatever the circumstance with regards to where I got the quote from. But this is what it stated. It stated this: poor people do the wrong things, i.e. why they're poor. You're doing the wrong things. I've been there. We've all been there probably at one point in time. But poor people do the wrong things, right? So it will be easy to assume that rich people do the right thing, correct? Right. So obviously people who have a lot of money, they're doing the right things. Not as far as a moral standpoint, but what I'm talking about is as far as possibly, the job that they have for the most part. Someone who's poor most likely don't have a job, whether it's they've tried to look for a job and they can't get one, or they're not provided in their area with the correct job. That's what will make you poor. And in order to make you rich, typically you have a job, right? Making good money, substantial amount of money with regards to your life, right? So we'll go over the 2 things again. Poor people do the wrong things. Rich people do the right thing. So can you guess what wealthy people do? I'll wait. Can you guess? Okay, maybe you can, maybe you can't. But what wealthy people do is wealthy people own the right things. So a rich person does right things. Wealthy people own the right things, i.e. real estate, stocks, big businesses, investing in general, passive income, all of that type of stuff falls under that category. So think about that. Poor people do the wrong thing. Rich people do the right thing, and wealthy people own the right things. Those are the 3 concepts I want you to look at. I want you to think about that. Dwell on those things. If you want to become wealthy, you have to own the right things. You want to become rich, you have to do the right things. If you want to be poor, just do the wrong things, right? And that's what that all boils down to. Eventually, hopefully, everyone wants to get to the place where you're owning the right things and not just doing the right things, okay? And owning the right things make you wealthy. It sets up generational wealth and so forth, and it makes life easier for your kids, right? Unhinging the financial burden that your kids may have following this. So by owning the right things, it will make you wealthy. It can make families and generations after you wealthy. by owning the right things and teaching those methods. Now, if you have any questions with regards to credit or debt, please put them down in the comment section. I promise I'll answer those questions. If you're looking for a free pay to delete letter, I have a link at the bottom. Click the link, it'll give you that with regards to that. And as I always state, you be great.